Hey guys, so it is Thursday and I haven't filmed for a couple of days, so I try to get back into the swing of things. But anyway, I am making homemade chicken soup. And first what you do is in about 2 tablespoons of butter, you want to saute some onions. You can use as little or as much onions as you want. I always eye this. I don't use definite measures. So yeah, just put as much onion in as you want, and now I'm going to put in some garlic. I made baked chicken yesterday, so this is the chicken juice that was left in the pan. I made baked chicken legs. So this is, like I said, the chicken juice basically, and it has green onion and onion in there too. And of course, there's some seasonings that fell off when the chicken was baking. So anyway, this is going into the pot. Okay, and because it was in the refrigerator since yesterday, the chicken juice is kind of like a jelly or gelled state. So it's melting down right now into the pot, into the butter and the onions and garlic. And oh my goodness, it's going to be good. So I'm also going to put, of course, more in here. I'm going to add some water and also some chicken base, just because this would not be enough for what I need to make. Oh, I forgot to say that that's one reason why I still bake chicken, although I can do it in my air fryer, and I do that a lot, and I love that process. I do still bake it in the oven sometimes because the juice in the air fryer is real good. It drips off real good, but it's not as much. For some reason, it's not as much as when you bake it. So this gives me good stock for, not stock, but the chicken juice. It gives me a good amount for when I make chicken soup. So I have 4 baked chicken legs left. So I'm going to chop all the meat up off of here. It's going in the soup. And I have my chopping block ready right here. So I'm going to get it cut up on here. I have rice left over from yesterday. That's going in the chicken soup, and mixed vegetables. So I'm going to tell you step by step what I do. So here I'm adding water. This is 2 cups right here. I'm going to add a little more. I'm adding 2 more cups, so that's a total of 4 cups. Probably hear the TV in the background because I am listening to the news, see what's going on with this situation. But that's 2 cups, I'm sorry, 4 cups total of water. So to this, I am going to add about 2 heaping tablespoons of this broth base. And it's from Orrington Farms. And here's what it looks like. The container looks like it is chicken flavored broth based seasoning. Okay. I've chopped up all of that good old chicken, and they were legs, good flavorful dark meat. So that's all chopped up, and I'm about to put that into the liquid, into the soup base. And here are the mixed vegetables that I use. You just heat them up in the microwave. I did do the microwave instructions. This is a steamable bag. So I just steam them in the microwave per directions on the back. And I'm about to dump them into the soup base as well. So I just put the chicken in, and I'm going to dump the vegetables in. And now the leftover rice goes in. So if you need more rice, just make more microwavable rice. I'll try to remember to put the recipe at the end. But just make more microwavable rice if you need more. But hopefully this should be enough. Here it is. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. All you have to do is taste it from here, you guys, and see if it is how you want it. It's just to your liking, to your seasonings. I'm going to put a little bit more of this Italian seasoning in here. I'm going to put turmeric in mine, just a little bit, and not to overpower it. And I'm going to put some pink Himalayan sea salt. And here we are. It is looking so good and it tastes so good. I've tasted it and it is delicious. So what I should have done, excuse my little scraped up pot, and this is one of my old pots that I use all the time. But what I should have done was bought some brown and serve rolls, buttered them with butter, and then put garlic on them. Either sprinkle garlic powder or use real chopped up garlic and just kind of season it with it. But that would have been so good. Since I don't have the rolls here, I didn't buy any rolls, what I am going to do is use white bread and just cut it in a triangle shape, you know, just cut it diagonally in half. And I'm going to put butter on the bread and sprinkle either garlic powder or chop up some real garlic and spread it on there and have some garlic bread with this chicken soup, and it will taste so good. So Isaiah's vacuuming. So him and his dad removed the shelf that was on his wall, and he's getting a new shelf. Jalen is going to get the old shelf because that shelf matches the shelf in her room. So Isaiah's getting a new shelf, and she's getting Isaiah's old shelf. Ah! What happened, Isaiah?
The vacuum over my foot.
You ran the vacuum over your foot. You have to be careful. I hope you got shoes on. You're supposed to vacuum with either house shoes or shoes on because of that very reason. Huh?
Socks are good enough.
No, socks are not good enough.
Day 3.
Someone has a package and a new phone. How someone got the 11
Pro.
11 Pro, and I'm still on the 7 Plus.
Sorry, sweetie.
I have no idea.
Woo!
I have no idea, except someone decided to get his baby a phone. Her daddy.
Dang, I ain't seen a new phone in a minute. Hello, new phone. Who is this?
Oh my goodness! Wow.
Old phone.
So
new phone.
We had the 7 Plus together.
We did.
And now you surpassed a couple of phones. What? There was an 8 or a 9 or a 10.
What is there, 9?
No, I don't think so.
No, it wasn't 9. The 8, the 10, 10XR. The 11
yeah,
Pro.
I guess I'm next in line for the phone with the family upgrades. I better be. Probably be a 12 and a 13 by the time I get one. I do not like a small phone. I do like a big phone. Does that come in a bigger size?
The Max.
Okay.
They wasn't paying the extra.
Oh, well, I would be getting the Max.
Will you? I'm just saying.
Mama would be getting the Max. But, like she said, it's quarantine day 3. And so I had her to come over here by the front door to open this package. Because I'm suspect about stuff coming in and out this house. And, yeah, I got a couple of questions about the mail people, the carriers, and the germs on the boxes and stuff. So...
yeah, because he already pulled up in the driveway.
Yeah, he pulled up in my driveway like he had a problem. That big old truck messing up he could have chipped my concrete. Anyway. So, anyway, I had her to bring the box over here on newspaper and open this box with, let's see, the gloves down there. It's that serious.
You know what else is serious?
What?
This new phone.
I tell the children, it's my house, and you are being loaned rooms in the house.
What you say the other day, though?
What you say, Daddy? Daddy said it's our house, all of ours.
See, if Daddy can say that, why you act like you can't say what you already said, Susan?
I'm the mama.
Try to look back at Daddy for encouragement.
We're ready to go outside, y'all.
Okay.
All of us. We're going outside.
What?
We're getting out the house.
We're going to take a family walk.
A walk.
Just like the bumper gums. But it's such a joy to have her home. Y'all see she on a sheet though on this bed. She is acting like she had forgotten. Yes. She said she don't remember me telling her that. Don't be on the comforters. And I said, whose house did you live in? I don't ever get that. Oh, you finna put your... She finna put her... You finna put her... Oh! You... You gonna get it. That's why you better... So this is what we're doing on lockdown. We have to amuse ourselves. And this one has to amuse herself greatly.
I do.
Yes, she does. Oh, Lord have mercy. Comedy. So we're going outside. We're going outside for a family walk.
We're not walking.
What is it? What is it?
Do you want to go on a walk, Isaiah? Oop. Do you want to go
Outside to walk.
What is the coronas outside?
It is outside. It just ain't outside our door.
So the kids were not trying to come out for the family walk, but Daddy said we going. So
It's Moses in the game.
huh?
I said it's Moses in the game.
Guess I have to park the Red Sea.
We out here walking outside. We supposed to be quarantining.
We're not quarantined.
You
Stay
can
back.
go-
Stay back. 6 feet.
Oh.
If you can touch the stick, close.
He told Jalen to stay back
Why
6
is it-
feet.
Why is it?
Daddy's in front.
6 feet.
He told me to stay back 6 feet. So all of us to stay back 6 feet.
Social distancing. Okay.
Jalen is like 2 feet from me. I don't understand. So we're just out getting some fresh air. Have to be a little silly and have a little fun.
This
See?
is not fun. Nor is it silly.
No, it's not silly. We do need to get out and get some fresh air. Daddy and his ducklings.
I ain't no duck.
Anyway, we're just going for a family walk around the neighborhood to get out of the house. So we won't be disgruntled. You can be a little grumpy in the house. It can get a little grumpy, so it is good to get out and get some air. Take a nice walk and get some fresh air. It is so cold out here. I didn't know it was this cold. I would put my gloves on. But it's nice to get out and see the neighborhood, just to walk and think without the phones and stuff. Huh?
All right, we got one more.
A few
Go
other
up here,
people
go
out
down
walking.
the street, down the path, and we're back.
There's other people out walking too. Yep. So it is Saturday morning, you guys, and I'm making breakfast. Got some toast here, oven toast, And I have sausage, bacon, turkey bacon, and turkey sausage. And some will be left over for in the morning because we're not going to eat all this. But so I just warm it up in the morning. And then I have a big pot of grits. So we are making pizzas for dinner, DIY pizzas, and I'm getting started with mine, making this one for my husband, and Jalen already has hers over on the side. Let's see what she's doing. These are hers. She doesn't like a lot of sauce on hers. Looking a little bare, but if that's the way she likes it, that's all that matters. Yeah, if that's the way you like it.
I'll get on YouTube and bash my pizzas. I like them the way I like them.
That's what I said. If you like them like that, you like them like that. And that's what little Mrs. turned out like. And this is Chris's pizza. He has the 2 cheeses, well 3 cheeses, Parmesan, Italian, and pizza cheeses. Has pineapple, mushrooms, red onions, and turkey smoked sausage and onion, and green onion, and a little bit of cilantro. So that's his. And this is my pizza. I have, of course, the pizza sauce and 3 cheeses. Also have pineapple, mushrooms, green onion, cilantro, regular onion, and bacon bits, and a little bit of red peppers. So that is mine. And Isaiah did not want any pizza today.